welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and learning so much and waiting for my video. But wait, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, let's learn today's lesson, that is letter W. But first learn the sound of letter W. W sounds V. Say with me, V. Yes, good. But do you know V is a grass letter because it's written in two middle lines. Can you write V? No? Oh no. But don't worry, I'm here. It's very easy. W is similar to M, but inverted M. So it's very easy. Okay, now it's your story time. I see the clouds moving. I see the kites flying. I see the trees bending. Because the wind is blowing strong. Oh yes, wind, a strong wind. Now it's time to learn some animals from letter V. Wolf. Ow! Whale. Big. Worm. I'm too scary. Walrus. Too heavy. Now it's time to learn some words from letter V. Oh, do you know words like we are learning whistle, water, don't waste water, watermelon, my favorite and so red, watch the time, white, I wear white suit, wheel, the wheels on a bus go round and round, round and round, round and round, the wheels on a bus go round and round, all through the town. Yahoo! Walnut, it's so healthy and yummy. Walk, let's go for walk. Oh yes. Now it's your turn. Tell me some words from letter W. Think. Good. Wallet. What? Friends, thanks for watching my video. But don't forget to subscribe me, like, share, comment. See you later, friends. Bye-bye.